ഹലോ എവ്രി വൺ, വെൽക്കം ടു വിന്നേഴ്സ് ക്ലാസ് റൂം. ഞാൻ രമ്യ. വിന്നേഴ്സ് ക്ലാസ് റൂം എന്ന ചാനലിലെ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. അതുപോലെ ഈ ക്ലാസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്.
Through this video, we are going to discuss 9 questions. All these questions carry 3 marks and these questions were previously asked and based on chapter Polynomials. Okay. This is our first question. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are reciprocals of the zeros of p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Anyways, we have learned that we can represent a second degree polynomial like this, where k is just a constant. P of x can be represented as k into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Okay. Here the given polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus bx plus c. So sum of zeros, let us take alpha and beta as the sum of zeros here. Okay. Sum of zeros is minus b by a. We have learned it. Sum of zeros is minus b by a and product of zeros, alpha beta are zeros of this polynomial. Product of zeros is c by a. Now we have to find another polynomial where what is given in the question? Whose zeros are reciprocals of the zeros of this polynomial. That means we are going to consider another polynomial. Let us consider it as a2 x square plus b2 x plus c2. Okay, here it was ax square plus bx plus c. Here I have taken it as a2 x square plus b2x plus c2. Just to mention that this is the second polynomial. Okay. Now here let alpha 2 beta 2 be the zeros of this polynomial. What is given? This alpha 2 and beta 2 are reciprocals of this alpha and beta. Okay. So alpha 2 is 1 by alpha and beta 2 is 1 by beta. Okay, where alpha beta are zeros of this polynomial. We have taken its reciprocal here and these reciprocals become the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, now what is alpha 2 plus beta 2? Okay, that is sum of zeros of this required second degree polynomial. Sum of zeros of this required second degree polynomial. Okay, alpha 2 is 1 by alpha. Why we are taking it in terms of alpha and beta? Because we know alpha plus beta and alpha beta here. We have to take this value and apply it here. Okay, so alpha 2 is 1 by alpha and beta 2 is 1 by beta. Now just cross multiply. 1 into beta, beta plus 1 into alpha, alpha by alpha into beta. Okay. Numerator is alpha plus beta, right? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Now denominator is alpha beta. Alpha beta is c by a. So in numerator and denominator by a is there. So we can cancel it, right? Okay, we are cancelling. Now what is left here? Minus b is there and here c is there. So we got alpha 2 plus beta 2 as minus b by c. What does that mean? The sum of zeros of the required polynomial is alpha 2 plus beta 2 and that is minus b by c. Okay. Similarly, we are going to find the product of zeros of this required polynomial, that is alpha 2 into beta 2. Okay, alpha 2 into beta 2. Alpha 2 is 1 by alpha. Beta 2 is 1 by beta. So this is 1 by alpha beta. Now what is alpha beta? This is C by A. So this is 1 by C by A. This A will go to this numerator part, right? 1 into A by C. So what we got is alpha 2 beta 2. That means product of the required polynomial is A by C. A by C. Now let us take these values and apply it here so that we will get the required polynomial. So let us write the required polynomial as P of x is equal to K, where K is just a constant, x square minus sum of zeros is minus b by c into x plus product of zeros is a by c. Okay. Now here and here, see, the denominator is c. That means we can just multiply each and every term by c. C x square. Here minus of minus, two negative symbols are coming together, means it is positive, plus bx here plus a. See, we have multiplied each and every term by c. See, minus b by c into c. This will get cancelled. That is how we got just a b here. Minus b, and it is inside the bracket and outside the bracket there is a negative symbol. So it became positive. So this is the required polynomial. Here also a by c is there and we are multiplying it by c. So c will get cancelled and this a came here. Okay, got? This is our second question. If the sum of the squares of zeros of a polynomial f of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus k is 40, find the value of k. Here the given polynomial is named as f of x and it is given as x square minus 8x plus k. And let alpha beta be the zeros of the polynomial. In the question, what is given? The squares of zeros of a polynomial, the sum of the squares of the zeros of a polynomial. That means alpha square plus beta square. Sum of the squares of the zeros of the polynomial means alpha square plus beta square, and it is 40. So this is equal to 40. This is the given data. And we know in this polynomial, what comes in place of a? A means coefficient of x square. We have already discussed all these basic ideas in the important points, that video. Okay. So a is the coefficient of x square and here it is 1. What comes in place of b? Coefficient of x, that is minus 8. And what comes in place of c? It is k. Okay. And we have learned that alpha plus beta, sum of zeros of the polynomial is minus b by a. Right? Minus b is minus 8 in this polynomial, right? Okay, minus 8 is given and a is 1. So, here minus of minus 8, two negative symbols are coming together, means it is positive. So, this is 8. Alpha plus beta is 8. Now what is alpha beta? It is c by a. C is k here and a is 1. So k by 1 means it is k itself. Now in the question it is given that alpha square plus beta square is equal to 40. How will we reach the answer? We have to find the value of k. And what is k actually? K is alpha beta. Okay. Let us take what is alpha plus beta the whole square. We have already learned the identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, we are going to use this identity here. Here in place of a there is alpha and in place of b there is beta. So how we will do this? Alpha plus beta the whole square is equal to alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Okay. Now alpha square plus beta square. I am taking those two terms together here. Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Okay. Now what is alpha plus beta? See here to the left of this equal to symbol there is alpha plus beta the whole square, and actually alpha plus beta, see alpha plus beta is 8. So I am taking that value here. So 8 square. Alpha plus beta the whole square means 8 square. Now alpha square plus beta square, what is that? See here it is given as 40 plus 2 alpha beta. 2 alpha beta is k. Okay. Now we have to find the value of k. So we are going to keep this term here and going to move this 40 to the other side of the equal to symbol. Okay. So we will get 2k is equal to, okay, 2k is here, and after this equal to symbol what is there? 8 square. 8 square is 64. And this 40, positive 40 is going to the next side of the equal to symbol. That means it will become negative. 64 minus 40. What is 64 minus 40? It is 24. So then what is k? To get the value of k, we have to move this 2 to the next symbol, next side of the equal to symbol, and here it is multiplied by, and when it is moved there it will become divided by. So 24 divided by 2, that is 12. So this is the value of k. 12 is the answer. This is our third question. Question is like this. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Okay. Anyways, we have given a polynomial here. Let us take it as p of x. Okay. P of x is given as x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This p of x is divided by g of x. Then we got, what is the quotient here? Quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is, remainder let us denote it as r of s, remainder is minus 2x plus 4. Okay, this is the given data. Suppose we are say dividing a number 15 by 2. Okay, 7 times 2 14 and remainder 1. Then how we will get this 2 here? That is the question, right? We have to find this g of x. G of x is here p of x when divided by g of x gives the quotient x minus 2 and remainder minus 2x plus 4. We have to find this g of x. So what is this 2? How we will get this 2? Just think about it. Here 15, that is here the number which is divided by 2. Here p of x is divided by g of x. Here 15 is divided by 2. Now 15 minus this remainder. 15 minus this remainder, I will get 14. 14 when divided by this quotient. 14 when divided by the quotient, I will get 2. See, this is the relation. So first we have to divide the number. First we have to subtract the remainder from this number, and then we have to divide this by the quotient. The same thing we will apply here. Okay. So first we have to subtract the remainder from this function. Here it is given as this polynomial p of x. So p of x minus remainder. What is that? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. This is the given polynomial, and now we are going to subtract the remainder term. Here remainder is minus 2x plus 4. Okay, what we will get here? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. See, minus of minus. I am going to take this minus sign to inside this bracket. So minus of minus plus 2x. Now minus of plus 4 is minus 4. Okay, so this is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x. That is plus 3x plus 2 minus 4. That is minus 2. So we have subtracted the remainder from the given polynomial. We got this. Now to get this one, what we have done is we have divided this by the quotient. So we have to divide this by what? Yes, x minus 2. Thus we got p of x minus r of x. That means we have done this step. Now we have to divide this by the quotient. Here the quotient is x minus 2. So we are going to divide this polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by this quotient x minus 2. Then we will get the required polynomial, that is g of x. Okay, here it is x and here it is x cube. So we have to multiply it by x square into x square into x. X means x raised to 1. So we have learned the rules of exponents. Here it is x raised to 2 plus 1, that is x cube. So x square into x cube, x square into minus 2 x square. Now as in the ordinary division we have to do the subtraction. Minus 3x square is here minus 2x square. See, that is here minus 3x square minus 2x square. Minus coming together, that means this will become plus. Actually this is minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1, that is minus x square. So I will write here minus x square. Then rest of the terms plus 3x minus 2 is here. Okay. Now here we have minus x square and here we have an x. So we have to multiply this x by minus x, so that we will get minus x into x minus x square. Okay, minus x into x minus x square, minus x into minus 2 plus 2x. Okay, again we are going to do the subtraction. Okay, subtraction. Here this term will go. Okay, x square minus x square, it is gone. What is left? 3x minus 2x, that is x. Now what is left here? Minus 2. Okay, here also x minus 2 and here also we have an x minus 2. That is, we have to multiply it by 1. So 1 into x, 1 into minus 2. So remainder is 0. So what is g of x here? G of x is x square minus x plus 1. This is the required polynomial. This is our fourth question. If alpha beta are the roots of f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3, find the value of alpha raised to 4 beta square plus alpha square beta raised to 4. Okay. Anyways, the given polynomial is f of x square minus 4x plus 3. Here what comes in place of a? A is coefficient of x square, that is 1, and b is coefficient of x, that is minus 4, and c is constant term, that is 3. Now we know that alpha beta are the roots. Roots means zeros of the polynomial. Okay, and we know alpha plus beta, sum of zeros of the polynomial or sum of roots. This is minus b by a. Minus b is minus 4 by a is 1. Minus of minus is plus. So this is 4. Now alpha beta is c by a, that is 3. C is 3 and a is 1. 3 by 1 is 3. So we got the values of alpha plus beta as 4 and alpha beta as 3. Now what is given or what is asked in the question? This one, alpha raised to 4 beta square plus alpha square beta raised to 4. See, in this expression, alpha square beta square is common term. Alpha square beta square, I am taking it out. What is left here? Alpha square. Why? Alpha square into alpha square is alpha raised to 4. 2 plus 2, 4. And beta square is here. Plus, here what is left? Beta square. Okay. Now, what we are going to find out is alpha raised to 4 beta square plus alpha square beta raised to 4, which is same as alpha square beta square into alpha square plus beta square. Anyways, what is alpha square plus beta square? Alpha plus beta, the whole square is alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. That is, we are using the identity. Okay, so alpha plus beta, we know the value, and alpha beta also we know the value. From here we will get what is alpha square plus beta square. Okay, anyways, I am giving the values here. Alpha plus beta, the whole square, alpha plus beta is 4. So 4 square is equal to alpha square plus 2. Alpha beta is 3. 2 into 3 plus beta square. Okay. 2 into 3 is 6. Right. So here 4 square is 16. 16 is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 into 3, 6. Okay. So what we got from here? Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 16 is here and this plus 6 is moved to the next side of the equal to symbol, then that will become minus 6. So 16 minus 6, that is 10. Okay, we got alpha square plus beta square. Okay, so let us apply it over here. Here, what we have to find out? We have to find out this one. Alpha raised to 4 plus beta square plus alpha square into beta raised to 4. This is same as alpha square beta square, which can be taken as alpha beta the whole square. Okay, alpha square beta square is taken as alpha beta the whole square into alpha square plus beta square. Okay, what is alpha beta? Alpha beta is 3. So this is 3 square into alpha square plus beta square is 10. So 3 square 9. 9 into 10 90 is the answer. This is our fifth question. Find the quadratic polynomial, sum and product of whose zeros are -1 and -20 respectively. Also find the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. Anyways, sum and product of zeros are given. Let alpha beta be the zeros of the polynomial. Then sum of zeros is given as -1 and product of zeros is given as -20. And generally we can say that a polynomial can be represented like this, where k is a constant, x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Okay, so let us apply this alpha plus beta and alpha beta here. Okay, x square minus sum of zeros is -1. -1 into x plus product of zeros is -20. Okay, so it will become x square minus of minus. See, two negative symbols are coming together, that means it is positive, and 1 into x is x. Then plus minus coming together means it is -20. Okay, this is the required polynomial. Now we have to find the zeros of the polynomial also. See here, sum of two numbers is -1 and their product is -20. Anyways, we know 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, here the product is -20 means one among these is negative. And here alpha plus beta is -1 means the bigger number is taken as negative. That is, yes, here the negative symbol goes to 5. Then 4 into -5 is -20 and 4 plus -5. See, here a positive number and a negative number is getting added. Then the bigger number 5. It is negative, so the answer is negative. Then bigger minus smaller. 5 minus 4, that is 1. See, here alpha can be taken as 4 and beta can be taken as -5. So these two are the zeros of the polynomial, 4 and -5. This is our sixth question. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 6x plus 9, then form a polynomial whose zeros are minus alpha and minus beta. Okay, anyways, given polynomial can be taken as p of x. It is given as x square plus 6x plus 9. Now what comes in place of a? A is coefficient of x square, that is 1. B is coefficient of x, that is 6. And c is constant term, that is 9. Now let alpha beta be the zeros of this given polynomial. Then alpha plus beta is minus b by a, that is -6 by 1, that is -6. Now what is alpha beta? It is c by a, that is c, here it is 9 by 1, that is 9. So we got alpha plus beta and alpha beta. And we have to find a polynomial whose zeros are minus alpha and minus beta. Okay. So the required polynomial, let it be f of x. The required polynomial is x square. Okay. Let us write it like k into x square minus sum of polynomials into x plus product of polynomials. Product of zeros of the polynomials. Okay. Anyways, here sum of the zeros of the polynomials. Sum is, here it is minus alpha and minus beta. Minus alpha plus minus beta. That is minus of alpha plus beta. See, minus of alpha plus minus of beta. Okay, so it is minus of, what is alpha plus beta? Here alpha plus beta is -6. So it is minus of -6. Two negatives coming together means it is positive. So it is 6. Now this product means minus alpha into minus beta. Negative into a negative value, that is positive alpha beta. Alpha beta is 9. So we got the sum of zeros of this required polynomial and product of zeros of this required polynomial. Let us apply here. So we will get the final answer as k into x square minus sum. Sum here it is 6. X plus product here it is 9. So this is the required polynomial. This is our 7th question. Obtain all zeros of the polynomial 2x raised to 4 minus 5x cube minus 11x square plus 20x plus 12 when 2 and minus 2 are two zeros of this polynomial. Okay, anyways, from 9th standard we have learned that if p of a is equal to 0 in p of x, then x minus a is a factor of this p of x. Okay, we named it as factor theorem or something. Okay, if p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. In this question, what is given? 2 and minus 2 are two zeros of this polynomial. Anyways, the given polynomial is 2x raised to 4 minus 5x cube minus 11x square plus 20x plus 12. 2 and minus 2 are two zeros of this polynomial means p of 2 is equal to 0 and p of minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, let us relate it to this theorem. If p of a is 0, then x minus a is a factor. Here p of 2 is 0 means x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, and here x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial because p of minus 2 is 0. X minus 2, see, two negatives are coming together, means it is positive. So x plus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 and x plus 2 are two factors of this polynomial. Okay, now x minus 2 into x plus 2, what is that? We are finding out the multiplication of two factors of this polynomial, x minus 2 into x plus 2. We have learned a minus b into a plus b. What is this? This is an identity, a square minus b square, right? We have learned it. So let us relate it to this. Okay, here in place of a we have x and in place of b we have 2. So it is x square minus 2 square, that is x square minus 4. Okay, so we got x square minus 4 is a factor of this polynomial. How we will find the other factors, or from that factors we can find the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, so we have to divide this given polynomial by this. Okay, p of x, this one should get divided by this one. Okay, that is the first step. Here we have 2x raised to 4. Here we have x square. So x square when multiplied by 2x square, what we will get? 2x raised to 2 plus 2, that is 4. So we need 2x raised to 4. Here we have x square. So first term of this quotient is 2x square. See, 2x square into x square is 2x raised to 4. 2x square into minus 4 is minus 8x square. Okay, minus 8x square. Now we are going to subtract. Here 2x raised to 4 and 2x raised to 4 will get cancelled. Now here there is no x cube terms. So this term will come here, minus 5x cube. Now minus 11x square is there, minus 8x square. Okay, this minus 8x square is here and this minus 11x square is from here. Okay, now minus coming together, this is plus. Adding up negative number and a positive number. The bigger one is negative, so the answer is negative. 11 minus 8 is 3, so this is minus 3x square. So here minus 3x square. Now rest of the terms, plus 20x plus 12. Okay, now I need minus 5x cube. Here I have an x square, so I will multiply it with minus 5x. Minus 5 into x square. Minus 5x into x square is minus 5x cube. Minus 5x into minus 4. Minus 5x into minus 4. Here. So, two negative numbers multiplied means answer is positive, and this is 20x. Okay. So, this is 20x here. Now, we are going to subtract. Okay. These two terms will get cancelled. Now here there is no x square term, so this will come here, minus 3x square. Now 20x and 20x will get cancelled and plus 12 will come here. Okay, here we have minus 3x square and here we have x square, so we have to multiply by minus 3. Okay, minus 3 into x square minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. So the remainder 0. Now we got this is another factor of this given polynomial, that is p of x, that is this bigger polynomial can be represented as x square minus 4 into 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Okay. Anyways, factorization is over, but we have to find the zeros of other zeros of this polynomial. That means we have to find the zeros of other zeros from this polynomial. 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Let us notate it as q of x. Okay. We have to find the values of x satisfying this. Okay. Satisfying this is equal to 0. That means the values of x. We have learned ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? Let us apply this equation here to find the zeros of the polynomial. Here, what comes in place of a? That means coefficient of x square. That is a is equal to 2 and b coefficient of x is minus 5 and c constant term is minus 3. Okay. Now x is equal to minus b, right? Minus of minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square, 5 square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, I have given values to this equation. Now here minus of minus plus. Okay, plus 5 square root of this is 25. 5 square is 25. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 3 24. Here negative into negative, this is positive. Okay, divided by 2 into 2 4. This is 5 plus or minus square root of 49. 25 plus 24 is 49 by 4. So this is square root of 49 is 7, right? So plus or minus 7 by 4. That is, we can take it as 5 plus 7 by 4 or 5 minus 7 by 4. Okay? 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 by 4 or 5 minus 7 is minus 2 by 4. Okay, 12 by 4 is 3 and minus 2 by 4 is minus 1 by 2. So, the other zeros of this polynomial are 3 and minus 1 by 2. This is our 8th question. Find all zeros of the polynomial 2x raised to 4 minus 9x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1 if two of its zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Here also, as we have done the 7th question, this is the thing we have to take care of. If p of a is equal to 0 in p of x, then x minus a is a factor. See, in this question, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 are two zeros of the polynomial, means, yes, x minus 2 plus root 3 and x minus 2 minus root 3. These two are what? Two factors of this polynomial in x. Okay. So x minus 2 plus root 3 and x minus 2 plus root 3 are two factors of this polynomial. Then let us multiply these two. Why I do this? In previous question also we have done the same step, right? We were multiplying two factors. Why? See, consider the number 12. 2 is a factor of 12. Right? And 3 is another factor of 12. See, I am relating this to this question. See, here x minus 2 plus root 3 and x minus 2 minus root 3 are two factors of the same polynomial. Here 2 and 3 are factors of the same number. Then what is 2 into 3? That is 6. 6 is also a factor of 12, right? Similarly, if we multiply these two, then we will get another factor of the same polynomial. That is the concept. So first we have to multiply these two. Okay, multiplying these two factors of the polynomial. Okay, let us do multiplication. X into x. Okay, x into x, x square. Then x into minus of 2 minus root 3, that is minus 2 minus root 3 into x. Okay, next is this. See, minus 2 plus root 3 into x is minus 2 plus root 3 into x. Okay, next term is this. See, minus of 2 plus root 3 into minus of 2 minus root 3. Negative into negative, positive. And 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Okay. Now, this is equal to x square is here. Now, here, see, two terms are there with x. So, let us combine these two terms. Okay, minus x, see here also minus x is common. Then what comes inside the bracket? Here 2 minus root 3 and here 2 plus root 3. Okay, thus we have combined the terms with x. Now the last term plus here 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. This is like a plus b into a minus b. What is that? We have learned that identity. It is a square minus b square. Here in place of a we have 2 and in place of b we have root 3. So a square is 2 square minus b square is root 3 square. Okay. So this is same as x square minus x into. Here minus root 3 and plus root 3 will get cancelled. What is left? 2 plus 2, 4. Plus here 2 square 4 minus root 3 square is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is same as square root of 3 into 3. We have a pair of 3 inside the square root, means we can take one outside. See? Okay, so root 3 square is 3. So here we got 4 minus 3. Now this is same as x square minus 4x plus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we got this is a factor of this given polynomial. Okay, this is a factor of this given polynomial. Then what we will do? We will divide this polynomial by this to get the other zeros of the polynomial. Okay, we have already two zeros of the polynomial, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, and we are searching for the other zeros of the polynomial. For that we will divide this polynomial by this one. Okay, that is the next step. So we are going to divide it. See, here we have 2x raised to 4. This is the first term here. Okay, here what we have as the first term, we have x square. So x square into what? We will get 2x raised to 4. That is what we have to think first. See, x square is here into something. We need 2x raised to 4. Anyways, we need an x square term here, right? Like x square into x square is x raised to 2 plus 2. That is x raised to 4. And 1 2 is also here we need. So 2x square is the first term we need. Okay, now multiply this by this. 2x square into x square is 2x raised to 4. 2x square into minus 4x. 2x square into minus 4x. See here, minus 4 into 2 minus 8. X square into x is x cube. So it is minus 8x cube. Now 2x square into 1 is plus 2x square. Okay. Next we will do the subtraction as we do in all our division procedures. Here this 2x raised to 4, 2x raised to 4 will get cancelled. Here we have minus 9x cube minus 8x cube. Okay. Minus 9x cube minus 8x cube. Two negatives coming together means it will become positive. See, minus 9 plus 8. What is that? We are adding one negative number with a positive number and the bigger one is negative. So the answer is negative. Bigger minus smaller. That is 9 minus 8 is 1. So it is minus 1x cube or minus x cube here. Okay. Now 5x square minus 2x square is 3x square. Then rest of the terms plus 3x minus 1. Okay. Here we have x cube and here we have x square. So we have to multiply it by minus x. Minus x into x square is minus x cube. Minus x into minus 4x plus 4x square. Minus x into minus 4x plus 4x square. Minus x into plus 1 is minus x. Again we are going to do subtraction. These two terms will get cancelled. 3x square minus 4x square. 3x square minus 4x square. What is 3 minus 4? 3 minus 4 it can be considered as 3 plus minus 4, that is minus 1. So this is minus x square. Got it? This is minus x square. So here I have to write minus x square. 3x minus x. 3x minus x is actually negative. Two negatives coming together is positive. 3x plus x, it is plus 4x. Then the last term minus 1. Okay. See, here also x square minus 4x plus 1. But here minus x square plus 4x minus 1. That is, we have to multiply this one by minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into x square is minus x square. Minus 1 into minus 4x is plus 4x. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. So, we got the remainder as 0. Thus, what we have got, this is the other factor of this given polynomial. 2x square minus x minus 1. Let me write it as q of x, quotient term. What we got as the quotient. Okay, q of x is 2x square minus x minus 1. Now we are going to, we are going to find where this will become 0. Okay, zeros of this polynomial. How we will find ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. We are going to use this equation here. We have already learned it in our 9th standard and all. See here, in place of a we have 2, in place of b we have minus 1 and c is minus 1. Okay, so x is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, I have given the values. Now minus of minus is plus. Okay, plus or minus square root of 1 square is 1. See, negative into negative, positive. 4 into 2 into 1, that is 8. Okay, divided by 2 into 2, 4. So this is 1 plus or minus square root of 9 by 4, or we can write it as 1 plus or minus 3 by 4. That is, we have 1 plus 3 by 4 or 1 minus 3 by 4. These two are zeros of this polynomial. Okay, already we have 2 zeros of the polynomial in the question itself, and we got another 2 zeros of the polynomial here. 1 plus 3 means 4. So 4 by 4, or 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 can be taken as, see, I am going to split this negative symbol into plus minus. Plus minus coming together is negative minus itself. See, 1 plus minus 3. Bigger one is negative, so the answer is negative. Bigger minus smaller, 3 minus 1, 2. So this is minus 2 by 4. Okay, 4 by 4 is 1 and minus 2 by 4 is minus 1 by 2. So these two are the other 2 zeros of the polynomial. So if we have to write all the zeros means, which are the zeros? 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. See, these two are given in the question itself. Then 1 and minus 1 by 2. These two are the zeros of the, these 4 are the zeros of this polynomial. This is the last question of this video. Okay, 9th question. What must be subtracted from the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 39x square minus 46x minus 2 so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by x square minus 5x plus 6? Okay, now let us ask, what must be subtracted from 12 to make it completely divisible by 5? Okay, anyways, we know 12 is not completely divisible by 5. We will just divide. 2 times 5 is 10 and the remainder is 2. That means if we subtract this 2 from 12, what we will get? 10, and 10 is completely divisible by 5. So let us relate this simple problem to this given question. Okay, first we have to divide this polynomial by this polynomial, and what we get as the remainder is the thing which we have to subtract from this. Okay, the logic we got from this simple problem. Okay, let us apply it here. We are going to divide this given polynomial x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 39x square minus 46x minus 2, okay, by x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, then we will find what is the remainder here. Okay, here we have x raised to 4 and here we have x square, means we have to multiply it by x square to make it x raised to 4. X square into x square, x raised to 4. X square into minus 5x minus 5x cube. Okay, x square into 6 plus 6x square. Now we are going to do subtraction. This term will get cancelled. minus 4 minus minus 5. Minus 4 minus minus 5. See here. Okay, minus and minus will become plus. So minus 4 plus 5 is 1. Right? We are adding a positive and a negative number. The bigger one is positive, means the answer is also positive. Bigger minus smaller means 5 minus 4, 1. So here it is 1x cube. Now minus 39 is there with x square, and here we have plus 6. Minus 39 minus 6. See, minus 39 minus 6. This can be taken as minus 39 plus minus 6, that is minus 45. We are adding two negative numbers, means the answer is also negative, and just we are adding these given numbers. 39 plus 6 is 45. So here we have minus 45 x square, and rest of the terms we are writing here minus 46x and minus 2. Okay, here we have x cube and here we have x square. So we have to multiply by x. X into x square, x cube, x into minus 5x square, x into 6 plus 6x. Next we are going to do subtraction. X cube will get cancelled. Minus 45. See, here we have minus 45 minus minus 5. Okay, two negatives coming together means it is positive. Minus 45 plus 5. Bigger one is negative, so answer is negative. 45 minus 5 is 40. So this is minus 40x square. Next is minus 46 minus 6. Minus 46 minus 6. Same as minus 46 plus minus 6, that is two negative numbers getting added. 46 plus 6, 52. So this is minus 52x, then minus 2. Okay, here we have x square and here we have minus 40x square. So we have to multiply by minus 40. Okay, minus 40 into x square is minus 40x square. Minus 40 into minus 5x. Minus 40 into minus 5x. Negative into negative, positive. 40 into 5. 4 into 5, 20, and again 1 0. So 200x. Here we have 200x. Now minus 40 into plus 6 is minus 240. See, 4 into 6 is 24. So 240. Now we are going to subtract. Here also these two terms will get cancelled. Here minus 52 minus 200. Minus 52 minus 200. See, here it is adding two negative numbers. Answer is also negative. It is 252. So it is minus 252x. Now minus 2 minus 240. Okay, two negatives coming together, it is positive. 240 and minus 2 getting added means it is 238. Okay, here we have 238. So this is the remainder term. That means the term which we have to subtract from this given polynomial, this bigger polynomial. We have to subtract this from this polynomial. Minus 252x plus 238. It should be subtracted from here to make it exactly divisible by this one. Okay, I hope all of you understood the concepts. Thank you.